Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix my Instagram Explore page. So wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app. And once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen. And now tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down, and under what you see, you'll see an option that says suggested content. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that here, you'll find these options. Now tap on interested, and all the interested content that you have added will be displayed right here. Now check to see if you haven't added any unwanted posts that you want. Now simply remove that, and now go back, tap on sensitive content as well, and here you can see there are three options for your sensitive control. Either you can set it to less, or set it to more, or set it to standard as per your preference. Now go back, and once you're here, what you need to do is tap on not interested, and here you'll be seeing the post that you have not interested. Now in order to do that, what you need to do is head over to your explore page, and now let's say for example I don't like this kind of post. What you need to do is simply tap on the three dot icon on the top, then tap on not interested, and once you do that, tap on the explore page once again and then reset it, and the Instagram algorithm will reset the explore page according to your preference, and that's basically how you can fix it. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to the settings app, then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Now find Instagram and then tap on it. Now once you're here, tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the glitches and bugs that is present in the app. And once that process is done, tap on delete app, and that's basically how to fix Instagram promotion error. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.